Hey there YouTube, this is just a video showing the unwrapping of a product I received from UK Suppliers 1 from eBay. It's a punching bag, just a video to show you if it's good quality, if it's what I asked for and everything like that. So let's get started. I got a free chain with mine because they were really late with the order. So they said they'd throw in a free chain. Yep, that's the one I asked for. And there you go, that's a good heavy duty chain. Really heavy duty. Got the 4 hooks for each of these. So yeah, it's Unfilled 5ft punching bag. I don't know what AASTA means, but yeah. Feels like plastic, but yeah, I don't know. I'll make another video showing some ways you could use this bag and showing the quality of it, and maybe make one on showing you how to fill it. So yeah, it's finally arrived after 2 weeks of waiting, and I've got a free chain. So that's my video, hope you enjoyed, and if you want the same punching bag, go to eBay and then go to UK_suppliers_1. Thank you.